What if your next motorhome didn't just take you places, but redefined the way you travel forever? Picture cutting-edge design, silent power, and luxury that feels straight out of the future. This is the 2026 Volvo Motorhome Truck, and today on RV TourHub, we're stepping inside one of the most advanced motorhome trucks ever created. From the very first glance, this Volvo motorhome looks different. Sleek lines, aerodynamic curves, and a bold modern face instantly separate it from traditional RVs. Volvo's signature design language gives it a futuristic presence on the road, while advanced safety systems and smart engineering make every mile smoother and more secure. Step inside, and the transformation is incredible. The interior feels open, calm, and intelligently designed. Large panoramic windows bring in natural light, while soft LED ambient lighting sets a relaxing mood for day and night travel. Premium materials, minimalist finishes, and clean lines give this motorhome a true Scandinavian luxury vibe. A comfortable lounge area with a plush sofa and a smart dining table makes this space perfect for relaxing, working remotely, or enjoying meals on the road. The kitchen is compact yet powerful, designed for real travelers. It features modern appliances, sleek countertops, ample cabinets, and smart storage solutions that maximize every inch of space. Whether you're making a quick coffee or cooking a full meal, everything feels efficient and easy to use. When it's time to rest, the sleeping area delivers hotel-level comfort. The main bed is spacious and thoughtfully placed for privacy, featuring a high-quality mattress and built-in storage. A second sleeping setup provides flexibility for guests or family, making this motorhome ideal for couples, friends, or small families who love long road adventures. The washroom continues the premium experience with a modern design, separate shower area, stylish sink, and high-quality fixtures. It's clean, functional, and surprisingly spacious, proving that luxury and practicality can coexist perfectly on the road. What truly sets the 2026 Volvo Motorhome Truck apart is the driving experience. Known for innovation and safety, Volvo integrates advanced driver assistance systems, smooth handling, and efficient performance to reduce fatigue on long journeys. This motorhome isn't just about living comfortably, it's about traveling smarter. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome Truck is built for those who want freedom without compromise, adventure without discomfort, and technology without complexity. It's a rolling luxury home designed for the future of road travel. If you love exploring the world in style, this motorhome deserves a place on your dream list. Subscribe to RV TourHub for more exclusive tours of next-generation motorhomes and campers, and tell us in the comments, would you choose the Volvo motorhome for your next adventure?